Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix API integration issues with Zapier, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Zapier account. Navigate to the Zaps tab on the home page. Identify the Zap that's experiencing the integration issue. Click on the Zap to open its settings. Review the Zap history to find any error messages. Focus on the most recent failed task entry. Click on the error message to gain more insights. Take note of the specific error mentioned. Return to the main settings of your Zap. Check the Trigger app setup to ensure proper authentication. Confirm that the Trigger app is connected and authorized. Next, review the Action app settings in the Zap. Ensure that the Action app is also properly authenticated. Double-check the data fields mapped between the Trigger and Action apps. Make sure all required fields in the Action app are filled. If applicable, test the Trigger app by pulling in sample data. Rerun the test in the Action app to see if it processes correctly. If issues persist, consult the support documentation for both apps. Consider the possibility of rate limits or API restrictions on either app. If all else fails, reach out to Zapier support for further assistance. After resolving the issues, turn the Zap back on. Test the entire workflow to confirm that it functions as intended. Finally, monitor the Zap's performance over the next few days. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.